And we are rolling between the United States and Haiti. Mexico, the defending champs. Here come the U.S. breaking lines well. To the edge of the area, and it's off the underside of the bar. Second ball is blocked. Thinking about shooting, Gusky clips it instead. Far side, open man, and they score! Klapia, who had clipped the underside of the bar about 15 minutes ago, buried it in the top corner this time. Left foot, it's a crucial block. It's still alive and blocked through again, and Bray is sprawling down. He makes the save. There were big shouts for a penalty from the U.S. It's not given by the referee. Yes. And they have summoned referee Michael Vene to the monitor. After VAR review, no penalty. Wanted it and got it, and his cutback is going to fall for Dylan Vanny. It's off the line. They shout for handball. It's going to be given. It's going to be a red card. Now up a man, up a goal. Ruben Ramos scores. Now to the edge of the area, it's Klapia laying it along. Contreras with a big chance, and then Berchimas just overran the rebound. Berchimas trying to hunt this ball down as he presses, and now Contreras wins it back. Contreras stepping around the defender, going down. Penalty for the United States. Santi Morales, the hop skip. The same move. Exciting and fun to watch. But it didn't quite happen for them tonight. The United States finding the moments, finding the goal.